Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my evening routine. I filmed this very quickly the other evening, so before I get into it, this is probably going to be the most basic evening routine you will see because my life is not that interesting. So the first thing I do, because this is just a basic Tuesday evening before Kyle comes down, depending on what I've done that day, I will probably do a bit of editing, or the first thing I will do is around 4 o'clock or half 4, I will put my video that I have filmed previously, maybe the day before or a couple of days before, I will go onto my YouTube channel and I will make it public. So then before Kyle comes down about 6 o'clock or so, I will start to edit around maybe 5:15, half 5 or whatever, but that's usually around the time where I kind of start to lose my concentration, and I will just edit a tiny wee bit, fanny about it a wee bit, and then just do whatever. So once Kyle finally arrives at my house, we will go and get some dinner. So we just wanted something very quick and easy this evening, so we just went for a cheeky McDonald's. My usual is a plain double cheeseburger, 9 nuggets, and of course large fries. And the Monopoly thing is back at the minute, and it is currently what I am living for. And I can't be the only person that does this, that puts their chips into their burger. I know this might sound a wee bit weird to some people, but this is just a habit I have. I just do it all the time. I actually think it tastes so good. Cheers to our burgers. So then once we have finished eating, we will probably go to the grocery store. We will just go to like Tesco's or Asda or something, mainly Tesco's, to get some groceries for the evening when we will be watching like Netflix or whatever. So recently I've took the biggest obsession with pomegranates, so I had to like take all the pomegranates that there was left in Tesco's. Steak slice for Kyle, Coke for me, and then this is a very rare picture of me attempting to reach sweeties. This is literally the story of my life. So then we are finally back home, and the first thing we do is put the shopping away and then get all the goodies that we got earlier, and we will sit and watch some Netflix. And then whenever Kyle goes out for a smoke, this is probably whenever I will start taking my makeup off. So then I just take my false lashes off, and then I start off with cleanser, and this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam. Oh my god, that was a mouthful. This cleanser is amazing. I absolutely love this to take my makeup off. It just melts it off so good. And then I just take a wet like flannel cloth type thing, and then I just remove that. I'm in my room doing this because the lighting in the bathroom was so bad. And then I go on with the Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I don't use this to remove my eye makeup because I find that it stings my eyes, because I would have quite sensitive eyes. So I just use this to remove all my face makeup as well, and I just like to make sure I do my hairline, because of being blonde I do get like an orange ring. And I find that I tend to break out in my hairline quite a lot. That might sound a wee bit gross, but I do get the odd spot because sometimes I would leave a bit of foundation in there. And then I just like to take some simple face wipes, face cloths, whatever you want to call them, and this is how I will remove my eyeliner and my mascara, because as I said previous, I would be quite sensitive to lotions around my eyes. And then I would go in with a face scrub. These are the two I'm absolutely loving at the minute, although my favourite one is the Nourish Scrub from L'Oreal. And then I just like to take a couple of wee bits just on the back of my nail and kind of like smudge it in around. So I would usually take about 4 wee dollops of this, and I would just blend it in circular motions around my face. I do find that this scrub is quite harsh, so if you have sensitive skin you might want to be maybe a wee bit careful. although it is good. I love it so much. Although because it is so harsh, I am avoiding my under eye area, because obviously that area of your face is quite sensitive, so I'm leaving that completely out of the scrub. So then I just went off camera and I went and cleaned my cloth again and dumped it again, and that's how I'm going to remove the scrub. So now I'm going to take the Pixie Glow Tonic. This is an exfoliant and toner, and I just like to take that on a wee cotton pad and just run this around my skin as well. And my camera didn't want to focus on the eye cream that I was using, so this is the Clinique All About the Eyes eye cream. I have just been using this recently and I'm loving it because I love this Clinique range. And my favourite moisturiser of all time is the Clinique Moisture Surge. And I am all squeaky clean. So then after that, me and Kyle will literally just get into bed, and yes, I do have a single bed. And we will just go on Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and then we will go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video.